Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tammy, Vice President of Operations here at Stratus Social Media, your social media virtual assistant. Today we are going to talk about hosting and installing your WordPress.org website. I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a web hosting server. WordPress must be installed on a web hosting server or be self-hosted to work. You can install it manually, however I'm not going to be showing you how to do that today. But if you are interested in just installing it manually, please email me and I'll give you detailed instructions. Now, before you create any website, you need to decide who you want to host your website. The most common route is to rent space on a server in a dedicated data center through WebHost. A web hosting server is a company that allows you to park your website and domain name on their server for a small fee. It stores huge amounts of information that people use on a daily basis for their website. You can think of it like a filing cabinet for cyberspace. I would highly recommend using a hosting company. Hosting will run you about $7 to $12 a month. Web hosting options are companies such as HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost, Host, StartLogic, and many, many more. Today I'm going to use HostGator for my website because HostGator knows open source software and has got fantastic feedback. I've also included a link to HostGator if it's something that you guys are interested in setting up yourself so you can check it out for yourself and get the prices for it. Okay, first while installing WordPress, we're going to use a cPanel. A cPanel is a web hosting control panel designed to simplify the process of hosting a website. Once you create your HostGator account, you'll receive an email with the following information: a link to your cPanel, your domain name, log instructions. That's what you're going to need in order to create this website. Once you do that, your cPanel will look like this right here. What you want to do is scroll down your cPanel right here and click on this Fantastico Deluxe icon because this is how we're going to install WordPress. If you can't find something in the future, you can always go to the search bar and type that in and you can find it just as fast. Once you click on Fantastico, you'll go over to the navigation area right here. And when you do, you're going to look for WordPress because WordPress, of course, is what we're interested in setting up. It's one of our blogs. You'll click on WordPress and you'll open it up. When you open it up, you'll see that it shows you that there's an area right here where you can do a new installation. It'll also show you the version that you're going to be installing. Click on that, and once you do that, the domain name you've chosen through HostGator will show right here. You will leave the install directory blank because WordPress this directory is going to be automatically created. Next, you're going to type in a username and password, which will be utilized by you when you log into your WordPress site to edit your blog or additional information on the website. You'll need to put admin nickname, which will show up on any blog post that you create. Next, you'll put your admin email address where information is going to be sent to you, such as lost password or any kind of notifications from the system. Next, you'll put your WordPress website name, such as whatever realtor you are, like Mary Realtor. For mine, it's Stratus Social Media, and the description is where you're going to put your tagline. Ours is a social media marketing firm. Afterwards, you'll click the install button, and once you do, you're actually finished. This screen right here tells you that the database was created for you, where the installation is going to be located. Also, it's going to show you the area that you're going to be logging into as well as your username and password. It also gives you the option to type in your email so that they can send you all of this information to you so you can keep up with it. So you just type your email name in and then you click it. We're going to go back to WordPress screen right here where the installation is, and we're just going to look right here to make sure that our installation is up and running. We can visit the site right here, or we can remove it if it's something that we just decided we just didn't want to do. So we're going to click right here. We're going to visit the site, and when we do, we see that our website is right here using our default theme, and we're ready to start. Next week, we're going to take a brief tour of our dashboard and begin talking about plugins. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact me.